Hello friends. In today's session I want to introduce to you the even breath called samavriti in Sanskrit. Specifically, there's one specific variation that I like to call the healing breath that's part of the even breath technique. So I'll explain. Even breath simply means you inhale for the same duration of time as you exhale. It's a way to balance the system and slow down the breathing. Now, there is a specific amount of time of each inhale and exhale that's called optimal. And it's 5.5 seconds in, 5.5 seconds out. And when you breathe that way, you breathe exactly 5.5 times a minute. According to the ancient yogis, and which is now being backed up by science, the slower you breathe, the fewer breaths you take, the longer your life will be. There's actually a direct correlation between lung capacity, which means you're breathing deeper and slower, and lifespan. So this technique is what's been discovered as being the optimal amount of time, 5.5. So I'd like you to find your seat as always. Close down the eyes. And scan your body, ensuring that your sit bones are firm and grounded. Spine is straight and tall. Your hands are resting comfortably on the thighs or the knees, palms up, palms down. And everything else, please relax. And keeping your head level but relaxing the muscles in your face. Shrugging your shoulders up and down, back and down, letting them rest there, relaxing further. Relax everything on down, checking that your thighs are not engaged. They have a tendency to clench up when you're sitting. Allow your thighs to relax. And feel that structure. Feel yourself supported by your sitting bones and your spine. And tune into your breathing. Simply notice what your breath is like right now. It's fast or slow. Shallow or deep, whatever it is, just notice. Remembering to breathe through the nostrils. Now let's begin to lengthen the breath. On your next exhale, let's inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going for a few rounds on your own, counting about 5 or 6 slow seconds. Really looking to draw out the breathing. If you'd like, you can add the Ujjayi breathing to your count, but only if you're not depressed. Let's do it together again for a while. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continue on for a few more minutes. Finding the calm center of your being. And if you get lost in your thoughts, just come back to the breath and the counts in your head. Okay, relax the technique. Open your eyes. So that was the even breath using the count for the healing. So the healing breath. And you can use this anytime. Try to remember to do it throughout the day, where you're at work or you're working on a project or you're just chilling watching TV. See if you can remember to consciously slow down the breathing in the way we just did. And if you're able to do it sometimes, you'll do it more often, and your body will self-regulate. You will begin to breathe slower over time on average. And this is going to have a lot of profound healing effects for you in the long term. This is a long game we're playing. We get some instant benefits, but we're playing the long game with this breath. So I hope that was helpful for you, and I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you here at the next session.